Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a new section to your notebook on the Microsoft OneNote application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the notebooks icon down below, which is the first option. Then select a notebook from your list, click on it, and then tap on this plus icon in the right side of the screen, thereby adding a new section to your notebook. If you want to edit any of these sections, click on the edit button in the upper right corner of the screen, select the relevant section that you would like to edit, and as you can see down below you have a bunch of options. You can delete it, move it, or change the color of it, so it depends on your preferences. So basically that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.